Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So let's have a look at gold and silver in this video. The gold and silver market, especially gold, right, has taken off like a rocket where we are right now. And there's been a lot of people saying, John, what's going on with gold? What's going on with gold? What's going on with gold? You know, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And they're like, what's going on? What's going on? So anyway, here is what I want to say about the markets, and one of the worst things that people do in the markets is that in conjunction with what we're talking about here with gold, right? What do? They chase the markets, right? Chasing the markets is never a good idea. And if you've been trading for a while, you know what I'm talking about, right? When the market has already taken off like a rocket and well, either up or it's gone down a lot, and then you get in, right? You get in after it's moved a lot. This is one of the biggest mistakes amateur traders make, is they get in after the market has moved up a lot or gone down a lot, because that is one of the worst things you can do. So in conjunction with what I'm saying there, if you have a look at the gold chart here right now, okay, if you did not get in the last, say, year or so, now I started doing some long-term positions on gold around about here when we started signaling this bull flag here. Again, I was doing YouTube videos all over the place, as you guys know, right? Since we've actually had this big run up where we are right now, the market has already gone up a lot. This is not a good time to be entering gold. Now, I'm not saying gold is not going to continue up, right? But we're looking at probability here. What you want to see is you want to see a bit of profit taking, a little bit of a pullback or a nice pullback. And then on the pullback, that's when you'll want to start to get in, all right? Buy on a dip and then let it rip. The worst thing you can do is get in after the market has gone for a big run. Why? Because as you know, how do the markets work? They go for a run, then they have a pullback. They go for a run, then they have a little bit of a sideways move. Then they go for a run, then they might have a pullback, and then they go sideways. You know, so they go through these motions through here, right? And when is the worst time to be getting in? When is the worst time to be getting into any market? When the market's already gone for a run, when the market's already gone for a run, right? Wait for some sort of a dip. You know, it may rally up for a little bit, but we will get some sort of a sideways, right? a bit of a pullback or sideways phase to let things balance out. And then guess what? When that happens, okay, when that happens, that's the best time to be looking to get in. If you're looking for an investing position, still be smart. Wait for a nice little dip and then get into it and then enjoy the rip. Yes, I still believe we're still likely to see a couple of year period of bull market in gold, okay? So, but still be smart about the way that you look at, even on silver as well too. Now silver hasn't had that much of a move, but we still have been going up through here. So I still would like to see a bit of a sideways phase or a bit of a pullback here first to sort of neutralize things, and then go to but again, silver really hasn't moved much, so silver's still okay to get into it. I'm not saying you should, but I do see silver is likely to catch up with gold. We're likely to see some big movement out of silver, and it's likely to catch up with gold. So silver really hasn't done much, so any time is still okay. My general recommendations with a good risk management, because you just never know what's going to happen. But with gold's already taken off like a rocket. Wait for a nice pullback first. Do not chase the market. So I've spent almost 20 hours studying the past boom and crashes in the markets. We'll talk about the 1987 crash, 2001 crash, and the 2007 crashes. And one thing I've noticed amongst all these crashes is that there is two patterns that actually form in these markets. Now, the first pattern is a signal that there is a potential top in the markets, and the second pattern is like a confirmation before we start the bear market or that crash. And I've studied this, and what's happening right now in the markets is we have just formed the very first pattern in today's market right now, and all we're looking for is the second pattern. So over the last 20 hours, I've noticed all these have very similar patterns, and these two patterns show up again and again and again. And I've spent 20 hours looking at this. So this is what I'm going to do right now. As you know that I have the Trading Secrets Weekly. I've just launched this, where every single week I do live coaching and training, and you can get a free trial for 1 week as well too if you go to tradingsecretsweekly.com. In my next training and coaching session, I'm going to be sharing with you the two patterns that have formed over 1987 the 2001 and the 2007, and I'm going to share with you exactly what those two patterns are and how the first pattern is already formed in the stock market right now, and all we need now is the second pattern to form to start the potential next bear market. If you are interested in that, and I'm so excited to share with this, go to tradingsecretsweekly.com right now, sign up for your 1 week free trial, and I'll see you on my next live training, and you'll be able to see that all in detail. So go to tradingsecretsweekly.com, and I'm going to share with you all the details. I'm going to show you the 1987, 2001, the 2007, and how the very first pattern is already formed in the market right now. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, and also what to look for in the next the second pattern. Because if the second pattern forms, it's going to be absolutely amazing on the downside. And once you're ready for it, you can do really well. So go to tradingsecretsweekly.com right now, sign up, grab your free trial, and I'll look forward to seeing you on my next training and coaching session where I'm going to share with you all the details. So go do that right now. Go to tradingsecretsweekly.com, sign up for your free trial, and I'll see you on the next coaching session.